Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Probability problems often trick students by hiding key information in plain sight, so let us break down this data analysis challenge in under 60 seconds flat. The chart shows the total number of on-time arrivals, which is frequency data. However, we do not know the total number of flights for each airline, so we cannot determine rates. To compare airlines fairly, we need the probability of being on time. This is the relative frequency, calculated as the number of on-time arrivals divided by the total flight count. Option A ignores the total flight count, and B makes an unsupported assumption. Since we lack total flights for each company, we cannot make a decision. Option D is correct. Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Never skip raw counts or assume equal totals. Always use relative frequency and check data.